Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain you about Pancasila Days. Pancasila Days are commemorative observances held annually in Indonesia to celebrate and reflect on the national philosophy of Pancasila, the foundational principle of the Indonesian state. Pancasila was first articulated by the country founding fathers, Sukarno on June 1, 1945, during the early stage of Indonesian fight for independence. The five principles of Pancasila: belief in God, a just and civilized humanity, the unity of Indonesia, democracy, and social justice, serve as the core value that guide the nation development and governance. Pancasila is considered the ideological cornerstone of Indonesia, uniting its diverse population across ethnic, religious, and cultural difference. The day is an opportunity for Indonesians to renew their commitment to the value embodied in Pancasila, which continue to serve as a moral compass for the nation. The observance of Pancasila Days is a reminder of the importance of national unity and the shared ideals that bind the Indonesian people. The celebration of Pancasila Days involve various activities including national speeches, flag raising ceremonies, and community events. The government, educational institutions, and various organizations take part in these activities, highlighting the significance of the five principles and their application in everyday life. It is a day to educate the younger generation about the value of Pancasila and to reflect on the progress Indonesia has made as a nation. One of the primary themes of Pancasila Days is promote the value of tolerance and inclusivity. Indonesia is home to a rich diversity of culture, language, and religions, and Pancasila emphasis on unity and mutual respect is essential for maintaining harmony in such a pluralistic society. On this day, Indonesia are encouraged to celebrate their difference while reaffirming their shared commitment to the national ideal. In schools, Pancasila Days are marked by educational programs that focus on the principle of Pancasila. Teachers and students engage in discussion and activity that encourage reflection on how this principle can be applied to current issues facing the country. The goal is to instill a sense of national pride and responsibility, fostering a generation that is both respectful of Indonesian diversity and committed to its collective future. Pancasila Days also serve as a platform for public dialogue on the challenges and opportunities facing Indonesia. It is a time to discuss how the principle of Pancasila can be further strengthened in Indonesia society, particularly in the context of rapid globalization and technological advancement. Leaders and citizens alike are encouraged to engage in constructive conversation that promotes social justice, democracy, and the well-being of the Indonesian. The observance of Pancasila Days reflect Indonesian deep commitment to the principle of democracy and justice. As the country continues to develop and evolve, Pancasila remains a vital source of guidance for ensuring that progress is achieved in a way that respects the right and dignity of all citizens. It is a reminder that the value of Pancasila are not just historical ideals, but a living principle that must be actively upheld in all aspects of Indonesian life. Ultimately, Pancasila Days are an opportunity for Indonesians to come together and reaffirm their dedication to the nation founding ideals. By reflection on the principle of Pancasila, Indonesians celebrate their shared identity and responsibility to one another. It is a day to celebrate the unity, diversity, and strength of the Indonesian people and to renew the nation's commitment to building a just, peaceful, and prosperous future for all. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.